In this video, we're going to look at how we can use Statcrunch to construct a stem and leaf plot. So we're going to begin by opening our data into Statcrunch. We're then going to go ahead and split screen, and that way we can look at both our problem and Statcrunch. And so to construct a stem and leaf plot, we just are going to go to graph. Any sort of graph or chart is going to be found under graph. Stem and leaf. We are going to select variable 1. And we do want to make sure we read the problem, construct the ordered stem and leaf plot. We can see here that our stems are the 10th digit, and that gives us, it's given in our legend, so 5 and 1 is 51. So let's go ahead and just compute and let it organize the data. Now notice in this particular case, it decided to split the stems, but this still gives us the information we need. We just got to remember that we're putting the two zeros together. Always goes smallest from largest. So we're going to have 3. We do not need to put commas or anything. We just 3. I think we can actually just do 3, 4, 5, 8, and 9. And again, I'm getting that because of the two zeros. 3, 4, 5, 8, 9. The next one we would have 1, 2, 2, 4, then 7, 8, 8, 9. Next we have 1, 3, then 5, 9, 9. Our 3s are 2, 2, and 9, and then 4 is 2. Next question is about the distribution or the shape of the distribution. So in this particular case, we have to kind of think about it. If we were to turn it on side so that 0 is on the left, 4 is on the right, this particular one has a little bit of skew to the right. Here's our peak, and we extend out 3 bars this way, only 1 bar on the other side. Here's another example I wanted to make sure that we covered. So I'm going to go ahead and close this Statcrunch. And we're going to open our data set here into Statcrunch. And get our side-to-side view. And so there is no way to use Statcrunch to get a graph that looks exactly like this, but we can still use the stem and leaf. We're going to go ahead and select both. Let's see. Again, we can determine our leaf units. So if we do leaf units, that would be the 1. Or we can just leave it optional. Compute, and here's our data set. Let's just see if we were to go the other way and we were just to specify leaf units of 1, it still went ahead and split it. So we have no control over whether it's going to give us all of the leaves together or whether it's going to use the split version. All right, so this is best actor, and that is what's going to go on the left. So here's a little bit different. On this side, when we list the leaves, we want the smallest leaf to actually be closest to our stem. So we're going to put these in reverse. So on this side, we're going to go 9, 8, 7, 6, and then 4, and then 4, 1, and 0. For 4, we're going to go 8, 7, 5, and then 4, 4, 1. For 5, we've got 4, 4, 0, 0. Sorry, for 5, yes, we have 4, 0, 0, 4, 4. And then for 6, we have 4 and 2. Now, because I selected both of the columns up there, I didn't point that out, but I went ahead and selected them both. There's an arrow down here, and I can arrow over. And so here's my second. Now remember, this one's on the right side, so we're going to do the smallest to largest. So that would be 3, 3, 5, 7, 7, 9. Make sure you include 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 5, 6, 7. Our 4, we have 3, 3, 5. For 5, we have 3. 6, we have 4. And for 7, we actually have 3. All right, so that's how we can use Excel to do the stem and leaf plots.